Hello everyone, welcome back to your Illuminate Pages. Today we're diving into the 1% Solution for Work and Life audiobook by Tom Canelin. This book is all about making small and consistent changes that lead to big results. Let's explore how tiny improvement can transform your personal and professional life. Get ready to unlock the power of 1%. Point 1, the power of small changes. Canelin emphasizes that the small and consistent changes can lead to significant improvements over time. He calls this the 1% solution. By focusing on minor adjustments, we can achieve remarkable results without overwhelming ourselves. This principle applies to both work and personal life, making it universally beneficial. Point 2, the science behind 1%. The 1% solution is backed by science. Canela explains how incremental improvements compound over time, leading to exponentially growth. This approach leverages the power of habits and consistency. And understanding the science behind this concept can motivate us to adopt it in our daily routine. Point 3, applying the 1% solution at work. In the workplace, the 1% solution involves making small improvements in productivity and communication and efficiency. Canelin provides practical tips on how to implement these changes. These minor adjustments can lead to enhanced performance and job satisfaction. Over time, they can significantly impact your career's success. Point 4, enhancing personal life with 1%. 1% solution is equally powerful in our personal lives. Canelin suggests focusing on areas like health, relationships, and personal growth. Small positive changes in these areas can improve our overall well-being and happiness. The key is to be consistent and patient with these adjustments. 5, building better habits. Habits play a crucial role in the 1%. Canelin emphasizes that the importance of creating and maintaining positive habits. He provides strategies for habit formation and sustainability. By focusing on small habits, we can make lasting changes that support our goals and aspirations. 6, overcoming challenges. Canelin acknowledges that obstacles will arise when implementing the 1% solution. He offers practical advice on how to overcome these challenges and stay motivated. Persistence and resilience are key to maintaining progress. By anticipating and addressing difficulties, we can stay on track. Point 7, measuring progress. To ensure the 1% solution is effective, it's important to measure progress. Canelin recommends tracking small wins and celebrating them. This helps maintain motivation and provides a sense of accomplishment. Regularly reviewing our progress can keep us focused and committed. The long-term impact. The true power of the 1% lies in its long-term impact. Canelin illustrates how small changes, when compounded over months and years, lead to significant transformations. This teaches us patience and the value of consistency. Embracing the 1% mindset can change our lives for the better. 9, living the 1% lifestyle. The 1% life the 1% solution for work in life encourages us to adopt a mindset of continuous improvement. By embracing small, consistent changes, we can achieve our goals and enhance our quality of life. Start today with a 1% improvement in any area and watch the magic unfold. Remember, every small step counts. Thank you for watching today on your Illuminate Pages. If you found these insights helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more summaries and personal development tips. Let us know in the comments how the 1% solution has impacted your life. Join us in the journey of continuous improvement. Signing off, Maheshwari.